Seagulls are birds that live near the sea. They have white and gray feathers. Seagulls eat fish, crabs, and even leftover food from humans. Their loud calls are common at the beach. Flying fish. Flying fish can leap out of the water and glide through the air. Their fins look like wings. They do this to escape predators. Flying fish are amazing sea acrobats. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crabs have hard shells shaped like helmets. They have blue blood that is very special for medicine. Horseshoe crabs have lived on Earth for millions of years. They crawl along sandy sea floors. Krill are tiny shrimp-like creatures. They live in huge groups in cold oceans. Blue whales eat tons of krill every day. Even though they are small, they are very important for the ocean food chain. Sea hares are soft, slug-like animals. They have small ear-shaped parts on their heads. They can release purple ink when frightened. Sea hares eat seaweed in shallow waters. Anemone fish. Anemone fish are small, colorful fish. They live safely inside sea anemones. They work together with anemones to stay safe. Kids know them as Nemo from the movies. Giant squids live deep in the ocean. They can grow longer than a bus. They have huge eyes to see in the dark. Giant squids are rarely seen by humans. Sea snake eel. Sea snake eels look like snakes. They hide in the sand with only their heads showing. They hunt small fish at night. Their long bodies help them slither through the sea. Oysters have rough shells and live on rocks. They filter water and eat tiny food. Sometimes, oysters make pearls inside their shells. Pearls are shiny and very valuable. Clams live buried in the sand. They have two hard shells that close tightly. Clams use a strong foot to move slowly. They are important food for humans and animals. Scallops can swim by clapping their shells. They have tiny blue eyes along their shell edges. Scallops live on sandy seafloors. Their meat is sweet and delicious. Sea fans are coral-like animals shaped like fans. They sway gently in the ocean currents. They come in bright colors like purple, red, and yellow. Many small fish live among them. Barnacles stick to rocks, boats, and even whales. They have hard shells and stay in one place. They open their tiny legs to catch food in the water. Barnacles are like little houses of the sea. Seaworms live in tubes on the ocean floor. They have feathery heads that wave in the water. Seaworms eat tiny plants and animals. They come in many bright colors. Cutlass fish are long, silver fish. Their bodies shine like swords. They swim near the surface at night. They are fast hunters of small fish. Dugongs are gentle sea mammals related to manatees. People call them sea cows. They eat seagrass and live in warm waters. Dugongs are shy and peaceful. Harlequin shrimps are very colorful with spots and patterns. They live in pairs on coral reefs. They eat starfish by flipping them over. Their bright colors make them look like clowns. Sea leopard seal. Leopard seals live in the icy Antarctic seas. They have spotted bodies like leopards. They are strong hunters that eat penguins and fish. Leopard seals are excellent swimmers. Sea robin. Sea robins are fish with wing-like fins. They can walk on the seafloor using their little legs. Sea robins make sounds like drums to talk. Their fins are bright and colorful. Lanternfish glow in the dark, deep sea. They use light to attract mates and scare predators. They live very deep, where sunlight cannot reach. Lanternfish are tiny, but very important for ocean life. Remoras are also called suckerfish. They stick to sharks, turtles, and whales. They eat scraps of food from their hosts. Remoras help clean other sea animals. Sea angels are small, glowing sea slugs. They have transparent wings that flap in the water. They live in cold seas and look like tiny angels. Sea angels are magical and delicate. Sea devil, anglerfish. Anglerfish live deep in the dark ocean. They have a glowing light on their heads to attract prey. They have sharp teeth and big mouths. They look scary, but are amazing hunters. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are related to squids and octopuses. They can change colors very quickly. Their W-shaped pupils help them see well. They are masters of camouflage in the sea. Sea penny, sand dollar. Sand dollars are flat sea animals shaped like coins. They live under sandy beaches. When alive, they are purple or black. When dead, their shells turn white and are found on shore. Sea hare nudibranch. Nudibranchs are colorful sea slugs. They come in many patterns like rainbows. They are slow but very beautiful. Divers love to take pictures of them. Goblin sharks are rare deep-sea sharks. They have long noses and scary jaws. They live very deep where it is dark. They are sometimes called living fossils. Sea spiders are not true spiders, but look similar. They live in the ocean and have very long legs. They suck food from soft animals like sponges. Some sea spiders are tiny, others are large. Flying squids can leap out of the water. They use their arms like wings to glide. They move in groups and travel long distances. Flying squids are fast and smart. Wobbegong sharks are also called carpet sharks. Their bodies are flat and patterned like rugs. They hide on the ocean floor waiting for prey. Their camouflage makes them almost invisible. Sea palms are plant-like animals in the kelp family. They sway like palm trees underwater. They grow in rocky shorelines. Sea palms provide food for many sea creatures. Swordtail fish. Swordtail fish have long tails shaped like swords. They are colorful and live in warm waters. They swim quickly in groups. Their bright tails make them easy to recognize. Sea gooseberries are small jelly animals. They have rows of tiny lights that glow in rainbow colors. They drift with the current in the open ocean. They look like floating jewels in the sea. Sea whips are coral animals shaped like whips. They bend and wave with ocean currents. Many small fish hide among their branches. They come in bright colors like red and yellow. Box jellyfish are square-shaped jellyfish. They have long, dangerous, stinging tentacles. They live in warm seas and are very fast swimmers. Despite their danger, they look clear and beautiful. Sea walnut comb jelly. Sea walnuts glow with rainbow lights. They use tiny hairs to move in the water. They drift slowly like glass balls. At night, they sparkle like stars in the sea. Stonefish are the most poisonous fish. They look like rocks on the ocean floor. This camouflage helps them hide from enemies. They stay still and wait for prey to come close. Sea lice are tiny creatures that live on fish. They feed on the skin of their hosts. Fishermen often see them on salmon. They are small but can cause problems for fish farms. Cookie cutter shark. Cookie cutter sharks are small but fierce. They bite round holes in whales and fish. Their sharp teeth leave marks like cookies. They live in deep seas at night. Blue-ringed octopuses are tiny but deadly. They have bright blue rings on their bodies. When scared, the rings glow brighter. They are very poisonous but also very beautiful. Sea pens look like old-fashioned pens standing in the sand. They glow softly at night. Many tiny animals live together to form one sea pen. They wave gently in the ocean. Tiger shark. Tiger sharks have stripes like tigers. They eat many kinds of food, even strange objects. They are strong hunters in tropical seas. Tiger sharks are known as the garbage cans of the sea. Sea lilies look like underwater flowers. They are actually animals related to starfish. They have long arms to catch food floating by. Sea lilies have lived in the ocean for millions of years. Frilled shark. Frilled sharks are rare and ancient. They have long eel-like bodies. Their mouths are full of needle teeth. People call them living fossils from the deep sea. Sea catfish have whiskers like cats. They use their whiskers to find food in the sand. They live in shallow seas and rivers. Their sharp fins protect them from predators. Portuguese man-o'-war. This sea creature looks like a jellyfish, but is not one. It has a purple floating balloon on top. Its tentacles are long and painful to touch. It drifts with the wind and waves. Ribbon eels are long and thin with bright colors. Young ribbon eels are black, but adults turn blue and yellow. They live in coral reefs and wave like ribbons. They look magical underwater. Ocean sunfish, mola mola. Sunfish are the heaviest bony fish in the world. They look flat and round like giant plates. They float near the surface to sunbathe. Despite their size, they eat mostly jellyfish. Spotted eagle ray. Spotted eagle rays have wide, flat bodies with white spots. They glide through the ocean like birds in the sky. They eat clams and crabs with their strong jaws. Divers love to watch them swim gracefully. Sea skaters. Sea skaters are tiny insects that live on the ocean surface. They can walk on water using their legs. They are rare because very few insects live in the sea. They drift with the waves and feed on small prey. Blacktip reef shark. Blacktip reef sharks have black tips on their fins. They swim in shallow waters near coral reefs. They are fast hunters of small fish. They are often seen by snorkelers and divers. Belcher's sea snake. Belcher's sea snakes are very poisonous. They have yellow and black bands on their bodies. They live in warm tropical seas. Even though they are dangerous, they are shy and avoid humans. Sea pigs. Sea pigs are strange creatures that live deep on the ocean floor. They look like pink balloons with legs. They eat dead plants and animals in the mud. Sea pigs clean the sea by recycling waste. Pacific halibut. Halibut are large flatfish. They lie on the ocean floor with both eyes on one side of their head. They blend in with the sand to hide. Halibut are important food fish for people. Glass squid. Glass squids are almost transparent. They float like little ghosts in the sea. Their bodies glow in the dark. Many deep-sea creatures cannot see them because they are see-through. Wolffish. Wolffish have big heads and sharp teeth. They crack open shellfish like crabs and clams. They live in cold northern seas. Even though they look scary, they are shy. Goby fish. Gobies are small fish that live on the seafloor. Some gobies share homes with shrimp. The shrimp digs a hole, and the goby guards it. They are tiny but clever partners. Sea whale shark remora. These remoras attach to whale sharks. They get free rides across the ocean. They eat scraps from their giant hosts. It is a perfect friendship between big and small.